Hello and welcome back to yet another video. My name is George and today we've got an absolutely beautiful and very fun Toyota Yaris GR. This is the latest and greatest GR from Toyota. It's the automatic, so it's an 8-speed auto with a sequential paddle shifter and lever. Now you see in a second, it's got a twin tips at the rear with the GR4 GR Yaris badging. It's amazing. This thing is so much fun. I am in Mexico right now in some beautiful mountain passes and this thing is just unbelievable. It has square 225 40 18-inch Michelin Pilot 4S's. It's got 2-port calipers in the back, 4-port in the front. This thing brakes so aggressively and so good. I absolutely adore the way this car handles. The brakes are insane, the power is good, the handling is so nice and agile, and I mean, just look at it. It's such a good looking thing. Some people hate it, some people love it. I personally love it. I really like this rally style shape of car. I'm not usually a fan of hatchbacks, but this thing is absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, today, as I said, we're going to take it for a drive and we're going to enjoy it. Of course, you got the carbon roof. All the body panels are aluminium and whatever composite because you can't stick anything to it. It doesn't magnetize, it doesn't do any of that. And it's just so much fun. Let me open up the bonnet for you guys so you can see the engine. Bonnet right here, the release. It doesn't stay up, so I'll just have to hold it up. But yeah, this is the engine, GR turbo, the little 3-banger 1.6 litre, 296 or 98 horsepower, call it 300 horsepower, 400 newton meters. Just a little toy. Absolutely love it. So without further ado, let's take it for a drive and have some fun with it. So we are inside the Yaris. First, before we actually take it for a drive, I want to take you on a tour of the interior. It's, as you can see, very minimalistic in here. Don't mind the stuff here or the dirt. I've been road tripping in this thing, but it's such a minimalistic and beautiful interior. You got buttons here, all of them are clicky buttons, so you can just click them. This right here is the GR4 all-wheel drive system, so you can push for track, twist left to go normal, and twist right for gravel. But today I'm gonna push it for track. I'm gonna obviously shift into drive and then manual, and here you got the button for traction off, which undoes all the system. So if I click it, everything's on, you might be able to see, and if I click it again, everything is off completely, besides ABS basically. Here, very minimalistic climate controls with buttons, nice and tactile, start stop button, hazards, and that is it. You got the light stalk here, you can change the light settings, windscreen wiper, all that stuff on there, paddle shifters, and of course the hydraulic handbrake, which works like a charm. I'm not going to be showing that in this video, nowhere to do so, but yeah, this is it. In the back you got some space there if you really need to, but I wouldn't advise. Besides that, that is it. So without further ado, I think you and I should go for a drive and see what we can do with this beautiful thing. All right, and we are now on the road. We're gonna flick this bad boy into manual, downshift, second gear, and let's go. This thing is an absolute beauty, and I hope you can hear me properly. It's quite loud in here. The car itself, it's quite loud. You can hear a lot of the induction noise, a lot of the turbo noise, and of course a lot of road and wind noise. However, I'm gonna shut up and let you enjoy this absolute beauty of a machine because it's meant to be enjoyed. It's such a phenomenal car. use is absolutely unbelievable. What it could use is a bit of a stiffer suspension. Like, it's great for windy, gravelly sort of roads, but when you're on a road like this, I wish it had a bit more stiffness in the suspension or anti-roll bars or something like that, because it leans quite a bit. And granted, whilst this is a 45k car, it can't have some GT3 RS suspension. I wish it did, because the power is definitely there and everything else is definitely there. So all it's missing right now is just a bit more stiffness in the suspension. But obviously we've got people in front of us now and we can chill for a second. Yeah, this thing is an absolute animal, honestly. You've seen the way it sounds, you've heard the way it sounds, the way it drives. It's just so much fun. Also in here, you've got the intercooler water spray, so you can just do that, click it, and it will spray cold water on the intercooler to cool the car down, basically, which is pretty cool. Like, it already went down a couple of degrees, which is interesting. So yeah, you've got basically rally car systems available here, which is really cool. And guys, we really don't need to go 5 miles an hour in these turns. There's plenty of space for everybody, but I digress. What a phenomenal little car. I absolutely adore this, the way this drives, the way this works. Toyota has done such a beautiful job with this car, and I can't be thankful enough for the opportunities that I get to present these cars to you on the channel and drive them. So big shout out to Toyota UK for handing me this thing. What a phenomenal car. What do you guys think? Did you enjoy this? Did you like the GR? Is something you would personally buy? Because I know that for sure. This currently is my favorite hatchback by far. Enough of that turbo whistle. The blow valve is just so good. You might be able to hear it. What a beautiful thing. It's got so much power at any point in the rev range. I don't know how. Like, this 3-banger turbo is fantastic. So good. Absolutely love it. And guys, I think we're at the end of the video now, because the traffic is building up around here. So I'm gonna take this opportunity to say thank you for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.